Hello everybody, just begin this as a timey-wimey video. This is my white flowered Wisteria Alba Longissima with the very long white flowers. Cooperdoo, what are you sulking about? Because your ball's over there. Okay then. As I was saying, I'll get to your ball. The buds are really beginning to burst on this tree now, and I'm hoping there will be flowers. It's really developing a rather nice little head, and I've made it very tall because, well, the clue's in the name, Longissima. The flowers are very long. Need some room for drooping. 18th of April today, and these buds are just swelling by the day. It's 27th of April today, and every time I come out, or every day that I come out into the garden, these flowers are just that little bit more open, tantalizingly slowly it seems. Oh, I think I'm just being impatient, but it's going to put on a show for me again this year. For that I'm really pleased. It's the 2nd of May today, and oh, call me impatient, but these gorgeous Wisteria buds are growing bigger every day, but oh so slowly, oh so slowly. Cooper's doing guard duty, making sure the pigeons don't attack the buds. He doesn't actually know that's what he's doing, but yeah, that's pretty much what he's doing. As you can see, they are swelling, and well, I guess at the rate they're going, it'll be another couple of weeks, so I shall just have to be patient. So it's the 8th of May, and well, the buds are swelling. I know it's only been a matter of minutes for you, but for me it seems to be taking forever as these buds just slowly elongate. The books all say they're about 18 inches to 2 foot long, and I think last year, if memory serves, they were about a foot long. So maybe this year it'll flower to its fullest glory. We shall see. 15th of May, and finally starting to see real live proper flower. So hopefully it won't be long now till this whole head is covered in beautiful flower. It's the 23rd of May today, and every day it inches closer and closer. Flowers are finally opening, and they have a, not sure how well that's shown up, a gorgeous yellow tint in the centre, and although there's not many of them open yet, I can already smell the scent. I probably paid more for this tree than almost any other. I bought it reduced as a just as a nursery plant in the poorly plant bin, reduced from £110 to £35 just a couple of short years ago. It's the 25th of May, and yeah, I'm really happy with how this tree is progressing. It's obviously still got a way to go. The flowers are only half out, but even so, they are looking rather gorgeous. And if I take you around the back, it looks even better from the other side. As you can see, from this side, yeah, definitely looks even better. I'm really happy. £35, well spent. The pot was probably nearly as expensive as it was, so yeah, well chuffed. So it's the 31st of May today, and I think I'm going to end this particular video here. The flowers aren't quite fully open all the way down, but they're starting to go over at the top, and obviously the foliage is coming in strong now. So I think the tree's probably about as best as it's going to be, and I thought I'd grab some video now while the sun isn't shining too brightly on it, because it tends to wash out the flowers some. And well, I think it's rather gorgeous. And from this side, from the bottom of the garden, which I guess you could call the backside, it's even better. Much more a curtain of flower. So all in all, I'm really pleased with how this has gone. I recently saw online a rather gorgeous cascading wisteria, which I thought looked particularly gorgeous in flower, and I think if I can, I will try and layer one or more of these shoots as they come out, and that's another project for another day. But I think with these long flowers, a cascading would look rather gorgeous. All that's left then to say is thank you so much for watching. Do the usual YouTube things.